Hi, folks. Here's a review for you. It's unsponsored, but I figure you might be interested in this product. So check the description box below for all the information, and I'll see you in my next review. Bye.
Hi, so I got this new pitcher and water filtration. This is my first time trying out this brand. I've always used another brand for many years. So I am about to take it out of the box, follow the directions, and put it all together. And hopefully the water will taste just as good as the other brand that I used to use. So I have the jug. And I guess the filter is in here. And here is the manual. The manual. Okay, so it says it's BPA free. It holds 60 gallons filtration, eco-friendly, space saving. We'll see. Okay, and it's superior performance, less than 1 micron. I washed the pitcher. It has an filter indication right there, and this is the spout for the water to come out through. And lift this. Weak fingers. And this is where the filter goes in. So I've washed this with mild soap and water, dried the outside. Okay, so this is the filter. And it says to remove the filter from packaging, rinse filter under cold water. Okay, under cold running tap water for a few seconds to wet filter and remove any debris. Now it says to insert filter into place and rotate clockwise until stop. Filter should be securely inserted. Put it into place. And I'm turning. Clockwise. It's kind of hard to turn and film it at the same time. Okay, so I've gotten it in place. Now I have to fill up the pitcher 3 times and pour it out to get rid of any debris that might be in there. That's where I fill up the chamber. Oh. The water is filling up in the pitcher. The chamber is full. It has a maximum line right there. And this indicator, when it turns to amber, that's mean it's time to get ready to change the filter. And when it's red, it's definitely needs to be changed. So now I'm just going to let this sit for a while until it has been filtered through, and then I'll be drinking the water.